Hi guys, it's us again, Rain and Steven. We are here on the garage because Steven will do something to the car.
Today we're going to use this car as a donor car. I'll be taking out the engine, the ECU, the wiring loom, and as much as I can, because this is going in my Citroen AX. I'm doing an engine conversion.
This is the engine that Steven will going to remove and then transfer to his Citroen AX.
My Citroen AX is going to go from a 998cc engine for 35 brake horsepower to this 1.6 16 valve, which is standard, I think 125 or 130 brake horsepower. Now imagine that in a light car.
Because this car will go on a scrap, so he will take as much as he can to transfer on his own car.
Hi guys, right, so for the first step I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the engine ECU and follow the wiring harness, because I'm going to drop the engine complete with the gearbox and chassis, so I want to make sure I don't break any wires.
Steven is doing the stripping of the front end, so that he can do a better access to take out the engine and remove the engine. Show to them the one that you.
This headlight's been in a crash. Smash.
Now that
take the headlight.
how it looks like.
So far, I have to get the bumper, the front end out now. I'll take it up a bit so I can work better.
What will you strip in?
The bumper, I'm taking
The
front
bumper?
off, and then I'll take the front impact bar off. So I need the wiring room, but I can't damage it. I need the wiring. That's right.
Bam bam chichi. Why the drawing is Ferrari?
What drawing?
This one, no?
That's a
That-
lion.
Ah.
Ferrari's a horse.
Ah. Oh. Oh, wait.
The rusty ones.
There's a lot of screw.
The rusty ones.
How old is that car na?
2006.
Huh? But the body look still nice, no? Still good, the body.
Still good, but the car's been in a crash. This is rusty. Collins, you keep stealing more. You keep taking my 13.
Why?
And he thinks I don't notice. Because he loses his, so he takes mine. He's an idiot.
Wait. What's that?
Rubbish.
Rubbish?
This is the impact bar. No, it's not rubbish. This is the impact bar for the back of the bumper. Now take out the rest. I'm about to take out one of its major arteries. What pumps the blood around the veins.
What's that?
Cooling system.
Still have gas on it? What's that, gas or water?
Coolant.
Huh?
Coolant. It was coolant.
Sorry, guys. Oh, again.
Hook, hook, hook. I'm even taking these bad boys, the horns.
Huh?
The horns.
Smile.
I'm trying,
Photo booth.
I'm trying to be careful with this one because this is a dangerous one, dude.
Why?
Because I'm about to take the aircon pipes off. If there's gas in there, they can shoot off. Because you guys stand, when I'm about to pull these off, you guys stand over there because it affects your breathing.
Now?
Yeah, even I'm going to go over there. I'm going to pull the,
Now?
yeah, I'm going to pull for the AX.
What?
No air conditioning for the AX.
Why?
It broke.
Ah. You can't use that? No?
No, I have to get the system out of a Citroen Saxo because it's more similar to my car. This is completely different. I can't use this one in mine. Not doing it.
You can leave it. You can leave it.
Huh?
You can leave it.
The aircon can stay in here. Just that one. So just the hoses now.
Ah, there is. Oh, what's that? The green one.
Coolant. This is
come. Oh, do you want some help?
Yeah, just put your finger over this.
But I don't have the gloves.
The gloves are over there.
Wait, I'll get. Where? Here?
Stick your finger over that so it doesn't burn out.
Baby, it's falling down.
Keep it.
Wait.
Got it?
Yeah. But I don't have force on my
No,
left
don't worry,
hand.
it's not going to be long. Just so I can drain it. Right out.
Hey, I'm shaking. Hey. So that the face of the engine of the car.
Yeah.
Careful, baby. Later it fall, huh? I don't have force on my left hand. What's that, water? Oh, there's a lot though. Here, oh. The green one. What's that?
Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry.
Baby, my arm. Oh,
Put your finger over there.
that's heavy, huh? Why you don't wear your work shoes? That's for retirement na. Look at the shoes. On retirement stage.
Hold that like that forward.
Wait. What do you call that thing that you just
Radiator.
This the
It's a
radiator.
radiator fan and aircon condenser.
So the radiator is being
The cooling
taken
system, yeah.
taken out.
Remove the radiator and fan.
Mhm. This is the radiator.
Yeah.
Ah. This is the one that he removed. So now the car looks like this. Oh my god, poor little car. Removing the automatic gearbox.
ECU.
ECU. You need that also.
No. Because I'm doing it manual. I'm doing my one manual. Take that off.
Remove the.
The exhaust system. On my car, my exhaust is blowing. This one is too long, but I can cut it down and weld it to the right size, and even the back box even better. Okay guys, now we have to take both front wheels off so we can take out the hub nut to remove the drive shafts. Once I remove the drive shafts, I'll be ready to drop the engine out. If you come around to the front, you'll be able to see. We have now removed the front bumper, the front radiator, the rad fan, the aircon condenser, drained the air conditioning gas out. So all that's left is take the drive shafts out, and then I will slowly lower it down to the floor and remove the engine, but keeping an eye on the wiring because I need the wiring as well. Because they're in my way.
But you need that also? No.
No, I don't need pass here. for the power steering, I have to take it out of a Peugeot 106 or a Citroen Saxo 95 to 99, the old shape, because it'll go directly in my car. This one won't.
How did they build it, no? There's a lot of parts, small parts, screw.
It's easy. It's easy when you know how. If you don't know how you screw.
But I don't know nothing. Being a mechanic, you need a lot of patience. Eh? Removing and then putting it back all together.
You got a good memory as well. I don't know where the small screwdriver's going. Let's try with this.
What's that, gas?
No, power steering fluid. Power steering fluid. So, I'll do the gearbox for a minute.
It's easy to remove
What's easy to remove?
the engine,
Yeah, I've got to take it back up to take out these power steering pipes I've taken outside the car.
but it's heavy. How
I'm
can
not
you
lifting
carry?
it. I'm putting the jack underneath, lowering the car, put the jack underneath, slowly take the ramp up and let the engine fall out.
Ano sinasabi ng lalaki? That's the engine, it's out.
Yeah, it's coming out. It's not completely
Careful, later it will fall on you. That's one?
Huh?
That's the one? Uy. You said you will put on the lamp.
Please. She slipped off.
Oh, how can you put that there and there? Ha?
Walang kain. Inom, pwede mo naman inumin din dyan.
So how to do with that?
This car is now undock.
How to do with that?
How to do with what?
You didn't put on the... How you carry it? How you... No? You just leave it on the floor?
Clean up and strip it here.
Ah, okay. So it's done?
Yes,
The
wait lang.
engine's out.
Okay.
Got to take the fuel pipe off.
So it's done?
Engine's out.
Engine is out. Look at the poor car. Stripping out of the...
Stripping the engine wiring harness off, so I'm going to put the wiring harness out of the way because at a later time I need to splice it. I need to pull it as one.
What you need ba? The top part?
I need the engine, the gearbox I'm going to take it off. I need to take all the wire and loom out.
Nothing will fall in here on top?
No.
Sure.
Does it?
So it's done.
Engine's out.
Engine is out. Look at the poor car. Stripping out of the...
Stripping the engine wiring harness off, so I'm going to put the wiring harness out of the way because at a later time I need to splice it. I need to pull it as one.
What you need ba? The top part?
I need the engine, the gearbox I'm going to take it off. I need to take all the wire and loom out.
Nothing will fall in here on top?
No.
Sure.
Does it?
Automatic gearbox is out.
It's now been separated away from the engine.
Separated from the engine. So this, the whole thing is the
That's the
engine.
engine.
Oh.
That's the engine, exhaust, power
And
steering
then this
pump,
one.
alternator.
Still one is still working? Still
Yes, that
good?
one's still working, still good.
Hmm.
Still good. Hi guys, now this is the engine out. I've separated the automatic gearbox off. This is the engine I'm going to use in my AX. I'm going to remove the power steering pump and the aircon compressor. And then I will decide later about the exhaust manifold, whether I'm going to go injection or stay twin Weber carburetors.
Poor car.
Now it's
He's naked.
It's empty now.
Empty na.
And I'm boiling hot. Now look at the mess I have to clean up. Hi, right now, my next job, I need to remove all the wiring harness, fuse boxes, ECUs, body modules. For if I do decide to go fuel injection, I have everything I need to run this engine in mind. But I'm not sure yet if I still stay carburetor and distributor, or if I go electronic coil and injection.